Hey, can I be honest with you right off the bat? There's a different kind of satisfaction that hits when you power up a machine that doesn't just run games, it elevates the way you experience every second with them. That's exactly what happens when you step into the Skytech King 95 world. This rig is built for the person who's had enough of compromises, someone who's stared at dropped frames, battled through texture pop-in, and felt the frustration of tech that almost kept up. If you're that kind of user, take a moment now to check the current price and stock before either one jumps out from under you. I remember the exact moment I knew I needed to upgrade my old desktop. I hit play on a game I'd been hyped for, only to watch it stutter through scenes that should have been smooth. That moment of hesitation, that gap between what I wanted and what I got, it made me realize I'd outgrown my gear. The second I fired up the King 95, it was like unlocking a level of performance I'd been denying myself. That relief, that feeling of fluid power, is something you recognize instantly. Once you live with hardware that delivers consistent, confident performance, everything weaker feels frustrating. It's not just numbers, it's how responsive the system feels when you load into a massive open world, how silent your focus stays when fans stay calm, how in control you feel with every click and frame. Imagine dropping into intense multiplayer matches where the visuals stay crisp, the motion stays smooth, and you're reacting faster because what you see actually keeps up with you. Picture rendering complex projects without waiting, launching massive workloads without hesitation, and switching between apps like it's nothing. That's what this level of hardware feels like, not just functional, but empowering. And here's something most people don't expect, the confidence boost that comes from owning a machine like this. You don't worry about future titles or demanding software. You don't dread that awkward lag when you're supposed to be in the zone. You just play, create, and get into the flow without second-guessing. Once you own it, everything feels fluid in every battle, powerful under heavy load, smooth when multitasking, stable when pressure rises, future-ready without fears. It's not the smallest case you'll ever see. Top-tier performance has a higher price tag. At some point you stop jumping between specs sheets and just choose the rig that keeps calling you back. Don't let this be the upgrade that slips into "one day I'll get it." That's the regret you feel later when prices change or stock dries up. If you want a system that feels strong the moment you press the power button, check the Skytech King 95 while it's available. This is the hardware that makes performance feel effortless from the first session to countless more.